What's up, brother family? We're back. We didn't record when we got here because it was raining so bad, wasn't it? Look at the baby. Look at him. That's TJ. Say hi. Say hi.
Don't kill him with kindness.
He's petty. He's a petty gang. And then this is Taylor, my sister. Yes, we at the beach. I said beach at that, but yeah, we're here with our family. It was raining, so now we decided to record. You got anything to say? No? Yeah, she does.
Do they know how to swim?
This is so, and then my mom recorded me like she always does.
And he's big, look at him.
Say hi. That's my mom.
Because he weighs, he weighs all day.
Harm, do you want to say hi? Look at that beautiful water. Say hi. This is for the YouTube.
Hi.
You want to go show them how you get on the swing? Go ahead.
I show how we go in the water.
No, we're not going back in the water, babe.
We didn't even go in the water.
Okay, we're not going in the water. It's cold. She always trying to put somebody on blast with her little stinking self.
Put me on here.
Go ahead, baby. Go ahead. Yay. She's so lame. I don't know what to say about her no more.
Mom,
Yeah.
can I bring your phone and slide with me to show them how I go down slide?
What?
Yeah, give me.
I don't know. No, you cannot use my phone. She wants to use my phone to go on a slide for no reason. Okay, you need to get some water. Go get one, Taylor. This is the beautiful water. Let me see. Let me get a good angle. Hold on. Let me get a little grip on it. They all in the water. All the kids. It's kind of cold now, though. Honestly. Shavela, you want to say hi?
To who?
My YouTube.
What you say? Hi. Hi.
That's Mari.
Hi. Hi.
Shamira. Nevaeh. And all other kids bad. That's my husband.
No. I'm going to Oh, yeah, sure. Watch my baby.
Say cheese real quick so we can do a thumbnail. Say cheese.
Shamira, I'm about to catch you.
Okay, that's good. It's screenshotted by itself.
Go tell Mama.
I know, right? Somebody got pushed in the water. Okay.
I just realized he got his hair cut.
Harmony. Go ahead.
Stuff like the ducks, but they come and bite y'all.
Okay, right now we're gonna have some fun, and then we'll be back when all the food is done so we can smash. And we're gonna smash in your face. We might do a little smaller mukbang, you know. Well, my edges, they getting a little nappy now. We'll be back.
Mom, do you stay right here?
It's currently raining.
Look at Xbox.
Like, for what?
The buttons is just different.
It's always fun. Oh my God, the lights turning off. It's crazy.
Hi. It's really wet out here.
It is.
Heard it's gonna be a storm.
It's supposed to be a really bad storm. TJ, say hi. We'll turn him around real quick.
Little baby.
Boo, boo, boo. Ma.
Dad.
Soft one.
Look.
Soft one. Who is that? Oh. Is it a video?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Look at that pop girl right there.
Don't look. I was cute until my hair got wet.
Ooh, is that Scarlett? Miss Scarlett.
Say hi.
Say hi.
She don't talk yet.
He's crying. Go Marshawn. So we just finished smashing. You're petty.
My game at?
What? That's right. Right there. Yeah, it's right there.
This the girl y'all heard laughing in the other video. She was too laughing loud as hell for her
Hey, I
reason.
need some southern potato salad.
For real, I got barbecue on my arm.
Don't get it on me. Oh no. Delete. Not over here yet, but it's just like up there. Look at Harvey got me less than look.
Stop on
Yeah, taste great.
What a beautiful chocolate man.
I'm dead. I've been vlogging for my It just started raining. We're running back to the gazebo.
Hey, it's not really raining yet. Shut up.
Woo!
What I sound like, Troy?
We going back. It's too much.
Dying duck.
Say hi. Say hi.
She's blocking the fire. She's blocking the fire. This girl is fire.
So I'm back. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as Kayla. Where my baby at? Harmony, get up here. So
We is at Crystal Lake,
but
but it's getting a little dark.
it's a lot dark and we just finished smashing. Our bellies is full for no reason.
Yeah,
You already know. We didn't go swimming, but it's okay though because swimming with us. It's cool. But right now,
Cause we even have a swimming pool by our house.
look at her littering. Right now we on our way to the bathroom. Don't push Harmony. We're on our way to the bathroom.
You better show my stuff.
I'm not. Why would I do that? Who she think I am? Oh my God! It's about to rain again, you guys.
No.
Why y'all all over here? Look at all these bad kids. Look at all these bad kids. But ooh, that's some good light. My scarf coming off. Oh, y'all petty. We're in the bathroom. Go ahead. Go be Lexus. Go be Lexus. Hey. No, but for real. Go potty. My scarf is coming off. It's cool, but it's whatever. I don't care. I don't know if you guys can see me. Ew, let me fix my scarf. Because that's my swimsuit. We were gonna go swimming, but it never happened that way because it was raining. So we ended up not going.
Yeah, because if it rains, we're gonna feel really cold walking home.
Well, we didn't walk here. We drove here. So
Yeah, but
Akila. Whoop, whoop, whoop,
really cold. I wonder if Scary Flying Shark comes.
Scary flying shark. Boom, boom. There go my boo boo. Scary flying shark. Hey, scary flying shark. Careful, it will bite you in the dark.
Scary Flying Shark.
What? Y'all ain't washing y'all hands?
Nope.
Y'all nasty.
Oh, yeah, because you told us to wash our
No, I did not. Don't say that.
hands. Guys, she did it.
Cleanliness is key. Literally.
Scary
But
Flying Shark.
we're about to walk back. My camera's about to die. But that's okay because I'll be back when I'm at home. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a little night routine. I don't know. We might do it or not. But it depends on if the kids go to sleep before we get there.
Yeah.
And guess what?
We're outside.
Here comes Jason.
Okay, Jason.
That's what y'all get. Bad kids. Look at this beautiful water. That's crazy. But we're on our way back to the gazebo. And I'll be back when we get home because my camera's gonna die. So Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the thumbs up. And, you know, just support us. Love you.
She got a new baby. She said she don't want you no more. She just gave you a present. Tell somebody else. Right, you want your daddy. Right. That's why I'm taking daddy.
What's up, Roman family? We're back from the beach. It was so much fun. You know, we said we were gonna come back so we can say goodnight. And as you can tell, it's been a long night already. You know, my ponytail off. The kids sleep. That's a plus. That's good. But you want to say goodnight, babe?
Oh. Let me get up in here and say goodnight to my peoples. Good night, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm tired. We had a bunch of fun. There's a whole bunch of rain going on and everything. But we'll be back, what you say, a couple days? Very shortly.
We gonna record like a video tomorrow, but like also I wanted to like see like what type of stuff do you guys want to see, you know, just comment or, you know, inbox me and you guys will do whatever type of videos that you guys want to see. We're always open to new ideas and you know, just fun things. It's a family channel, so, you know, just give us all your feedback, and good or bad, we enjoy all of it. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for supporting us, and we love you.